Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, lived a wise little turtle named Timmy. Timmy was known for his cleverness and kind heart. He had a shell that shone like a precious gem. One day, a group of animals gathered around Timmy, seeking his advice. The forest was facing a severe drought, and there was hardly any water left. The animals were worried and didn't know what to do. Timmy thought for a moment and then suggested a plan. He told the animals to dig small holes near the dried-up riverbed and wait patiently. Curious, the animals followed his instructions. Days turned into weeks, and suddenly, raindrops began to fall. The holes filled with water, and the riverbed slowly started to flow again. The animals rejoiced, grateful for Timmy's wisdom. Word of Timmy's solution spread, and animals from far and wide came to hear his advice. Timmy taught them the importance of patience, cooperation, and using their minds to solve problems. From that day on, Timmy became a beloved figure in the forest, always ready to help others with his wise counsel. And so, the wise little turtle taught everyone that even the smallest creatures can make the biggest difference with their intelligence and kindness.